When the rut heats up in the whitetail woods, but winter hasn't quite arrived, reach for the first Lite Solitude system. Both jacket and pant are built using 37.5 synthetic insulation hidden behind our 2-layer Catalyst soft shell fabric. The Solitude kit's exterior is durable yet silent, even at sub-zero temperatures, and is DWR treated to repel moisture. The system utilizes our revolutionary kit-link pass-through, allowing the hunter to access the bib's fleece-lined chest muff through zippered portals in the jacket. The Solitude is constructed with our shooter's cut and will not inhibit the hunter's ability to draw a bow or aim a rifle. The bib sports full zip legs for easy layering and venting, thigh-mounted double cargo pockets, and a reinforced 2.5-layer waterproof seat. The jacket features a removable turret hood, as well as a safety harness pass-through and insulated hand pockets with sealed-tight gaskets. With these features, the Solitude system will be your new go-to for long sits during the heart of the whitetail season.